Okay, hello everyone. And today we are going to talk about the current week and what you should learn this week. Uh, this week you will familiar with the functional programming. It's a basic things about functional programming, but it would be nice to know about it because in future you will choose between Angular, React courses, if you proceed learning, of course, and you should understand the difference between functional programming and classes approach. And to apply knowledge about functional programming, you should complete pass core.js functions. It's as well a set of small tasks where you can apply knowledge about functional functions and functional programming. This week, you will learn about design patterns. Nowadays, you will find these patterns, I guess, more fun than previous years, and it will be, I guess, helpful for you know about these patterns. I understand that currently, basically, it would be a bit hard for you to apply these patterns in a correct way, but you can at least try to learn it and try to apply it to your code. And finally, this week you will learn about design principles like KISS, YAG, new dry, and so on. It's basically a model for, let's say, just for information, but uh, if I'm not mistaken, last years I had that within the interview, student or applicant got this question from the sim. So I guess it would be interesting for you to know about this abbreviation. And what about the tasks? At the end of this week, I mean, next Monday, you should complete a sync task and submit it for two checks. One for mentors review, other for cross check. And I hope that you will not forget to review other student tasks as well. It's about our plans for current week. Do you have any questions? Seems no. But I would like to highlight one interesting topic from the next week because some of you perhaps would like to start a bit earlier to work on it. It's a presentation task. Um, what you should do for this task? It's not a classic one. So first of all, you should choose one of theme provided by the link. It might be from web platforms, any libraries, web development, history, and so on. There are a lot of themes. You should choose only one. Research this theme and prepare the presentation. You should use Revel for the presentation. After you create the presentation, you should create a speech. Its speech should be for 10, 8, 10 minutes, and you should record your speech and upload it to YouTube. You may use unlisted type while you're uploading. That's way your video will be available only by the links. So if you would like to share your videos with someone, you will share the link, but nobody else can find this video by in the YouTube by the search. So to have enough time to prepare, if you would like, you can start a bit earlier working on this task. And that's all what I want to share with you. Do you have any questions?
No.
Seems no. Okay, thank you for participation and have a good week. Bye bye.